Upbeat music plays. Camera zooms in on the host standing between the two power supplies on a table, with the NZXT C750 on the left and the Corsair RM650 on the right. Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we navigate through the jungle of products to help you find the perfect gear without losing your sanity. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. That's right, folks. We're comparing the NZXT C750 and the Corsair RM650. So grab your energy drinks because this is about to get shocking. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The NZXT C750 is sitting pretty at $129, while the Corsair RM650 is a more wallet-friendly $89. Reviewers have mentioned that the NZXT C750 is a great investment for its quality and performance. However, many also appreciate the Corsair RM650 for its affordability without sacrificing quality. So, if you're on a budget, the Corsair is basically saying, hey, I'm here for a good time, not a long time, or a pricey one. Next, let's untangle the cables. Literally, both the NZXT C750 and Corsair RM650 are fully modular. The NZXT has black sleeved cables that look slick next to its matte finish, making it a stylish option. Reviewers have praised its quality sheathing and management options, although some noted that the motherboard and CPU cables can be a bit stiff. Meanwhile, the Corsair RM650 is like that friend who's always ready to help, with neatly tied cables and an easy setup that users have found very convenient. Practical, but maybe not as stylish. Now, let's talk about noise. The NZXT C750 claims to be optimized and silent, which is great news for those who hate the sound of your power supply humming. Many reviewers agree that it operates quietly, which is essential for a peaceful gaming experience. Meanwhile, the Corsair RM650 boasts a 120mm rifle-bearing fan that keeps things quiet even under full load. Reviewers have noted it's not completely silent, but comparable to other fans in their builds. So whether you're gaming or binge-watching cat videos, you won't have to deal with any unwanted fanfare. All right, let's get serious for a moment. The NZXT C750 has an impressive efficiency rating, boasting a power conversion efficiency that's 2% better than the 80+ gold standard. Reviewers have highlighted its efficient power rating and excellent build quality. On the other hand, the Corsair RM650 is also 80+ gold certified, which means it's efficient too. Users have praised its stability and performance, although some have mentioned slight coil whine. Both power supplies are great choices, but the NZXT is flexing a little harder on the efficiency front. Lastly, we have compatibility and capacity. The NZXT C750 is built to support the latest NVIDIA and AMD GPUs, up to the 30 series and 6000 series, no less. Reviewers have stated it provides ample power for high-performance builds. The Corsair RM650 is no slouch either, with 105 degrees Celsius rated capacitors to keep things steady. It's been noted for its reliability and ease of installation. So whether you're rocking a high-end rig or just trying to power your grandma's old PC, both have you covered. In summary, both the NZXT C750 and Corsair RM650 have their strengths and weaknesses based on user feedback. The NZXT C750 is praised for its efficiency, stylish design, and quality, while the Corsair RM650 is celebrated for its affordability, stability, and quiet operation. Each has garnered positive reviews, making them both valuable options in the power supply market. So there you have it, folks. The NZXT C750 and Corsair RM650 are both fantastic power supplies with their own unique strengths. If you want to get a little more efficiency and style, the NZXT might be your go-to. But if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option that still packs a punch, the Corsair is your best buddy. Remember, it's not just about the watts. It's about the watts that suit your needs. Hit that like button if you're feeling empowered by this showdown, and don't forget to subscribe for more product comparisons that'll make you the smartest shopper in the room. Until next time, keep your systems powered and your wallets happy. Winks. Upbeat music fades out as the video ends with an end screen promoting other videos on the channel.